Testing like a boss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the Asplenia's basement. What I'm looking at here is one of my latest projects, which is a Clod Buster, and it does have a Tonka truck, dump truck body on it. I picked up the body itself for, I think it was $20, and I'm glad that I got it because it looks really amazing. I was thinking about doing something like this for the last little bit, but I couldn't actually find the Tonka truck body that I wanted. So I went up to one of our local thrift stores, and sure enough it was there, and I decided, hey, it's a project, let's get to it. So basically all I did is I actually just took the wheels and part of the bottom chassis off on the dump truck itself, and basically just mounted it on top of my Clod Buster. Now the Clod Buster has a good history with me. I've had it for now I think around 13 or 14 years, and it's running all original stock stuff in this video itself. I've upgraded a lot of the parts just back to new factory stuff. And just a little close-up. You got the driver there, skeleton, axial guy. And you got 4 headlights, which are totally cool. It says Tonka on the bumper. And then the mighty Tonka sticker there with the oval red Tonka is actually says it's between 1976 and 1977. Of course, I love all the patina on the body itself. I have not cleaned anything. I've just left it the way it is. And this guy weighs quite a bit. Since it has so much weight on it, it actually has no problem working those oil-filled shocks and making it handle really well. It kind of acts like a Wheelie King, an HPI Wheelie King. It does seem to have a lot more catwalk style to it. There's more weight in the back end when it transfers to the back. But all in all, it's so fun to drive. Just pointing out my oil-filled shocks there, and yeah, like what can I say? Apparently the wheels are soft and actually have nothing in it. Now I'm going to try to take off the body here, and we're going to see some 80s, oh look at that, 80s flame that came through. That took me about a minute to take off. All it is 2 giant zip ties that hold that on. So I'm just going to show you a closer look at the dump truck itself. I mean, this thing was sitting out in the sandbox for years. Perfect. I couldn't even make something like that. Alright, coming up to the Clod Buster itself, this is my original mod Clod that I've had, as I stated before. Couple things I've done to it is, oh dear, hitting the mic, is I've made my own center brace on the bottom. I got my ESC and my servo sitting all at the bottom for nice low weight. I got just the 540 cans, updated suspension, and that's about it. You could probably also tell that the chassis was cut away as well, and I have some aluminum braces on the top to make sure that the thing doesn't fold in. Oh, fluid film. This is what I'm using to actually waterproof the ESC. Actually, sorry, not the ESC, the receiver. The receiver is an orange receiver and is not waterproof at all. So you put a little bit of fluid film in there, let it sit, and it should be pretty much waterproof. Don't guarantee what I say. I can't guarantee what I say because I haven't actually tried it out in the snow or rain yet. Put some purple heat sinks on there, and yeah, we're ready to rock. I will have a video of this coming out soon so you can see it. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you on another video. Thank you.